number 33 resting after the race yesterday. We did pretty good. Came in second place and actually had a shot at first place, but the rudder horn here, this little screw came loose and this came up and I lost rudder, so I had to forfeit in that race and then sit out the next race while I tried to figure out what was wrong. I came back in the last race, the 12th race of the day, and came in second in that. We were only 6 boats, but but I felt it felt good, and the speed of the boat was good. This is a little heavier gauge mast that I'm working on, and this morning I put a new jib track on the boat in white. And then I'm going to show you what I'm working on in the ship. So what I'm doing here is I'm removing if there is a slight elephant's foot, and that is when this sits on the build plate like this, the first layers ooze out a little bit. And if you want to know how to remove that, just search on YouTube for elephant's foot, because there are so many people better than me on 3D printing that can explain that. So I'm prepping the new Australia 2 pieces here to be glued together tonight. So I put one layer of thickened epoxy on each surface, so that both surfaces have been wetted down with epoxy. So my extremely dirty shed again, done too much sanding in here. So now the hull is pretty much glued together, or the plug for Australia 2. You can see the bow. So this is how I do it. I glue all the pieces, and tomorrow night when this is hard, then I will glue the final piece. And what I usually do is, a buddy of mine gave me a tip to glue some wood sticks to line up the last piece, and that actually works pretty good. It acts a little bit like a spring, but if you take some good tape to hold it while you glue it, that works really good. So Australia 2 again, hopefully in scale 1 to 10, of course. So I would like to take the opportunity to thank everyone. 726 subscribers. I think it's absolutely awesome. I'm a little tired today. I was racing yesterday and worked in the yard, helped my wife today, but I did get a few things done. So up here is a new mast for the miniRival that I'm working on. A little bit heavier gauge, so it will do better in heavy, stronger winds. Very happy with the performance, like I told you, on number 33. So that will definitely be the boat I will use moving forward. So thank you everyone for subscribing and all your nice comments, and I will try to do another sail making video and show you some tips and tricks on that. And next weekend I will start using my spray filler products from Hagmans. So thank you Hagmans again. They also sent me some paints this week, so that feels really good. It sure helps because these are big boats, and they take a lot of spray filler and a lot of paint. So thank you very much Hagmans for support.